I'm in a good mood today and we'll be showcasing how to start building your own intranet so you don't use Excel too much. I've seen Excel being abused in quite a few places in my lifetime, so it's never a good thing. As you probably know, this is my debug VMS. It is my system to manage warehouses, and it's a work in progress. I have some menus, simple stuff really, but it'll all come together eventually. Well, not this one, but 3 relocations. It all eventually will come together and be a semi-working warehouse management aid system thingo. Now, that's absolutely fine, but what if you want to start to build something? I'm gonna show you a very now first I'm gonna remove everything here. Yes, got everything ready, hopefully. Yeah, and now copy the intranet, the little bare bones thingy I put together. So super easy, super simple. I will provide the entire code for anyone to play around with. It's actually extremely easy to understand. There's not much going on. Bit of PHP. You can always redo it however you want, but basically what this gives you is let me just go back. It gives you the BX12. You press enter, submit, and it takes the data from the database, which is basically the product code, the description, and the quantity in the warehouse, which is at the moment conveniently stored in, if I can just get in the database, sqlite. It's so hard to see, but you have to just believe me, that's the case. And yeah, so this is your main page. Very easy, as you can tell. A form that initiates product search. I'm using get because it's easier. You understand later on why get works for me. Now, second, the actual product search page, the one you just seen here, super easy. It uses half of the well, what you call it, bots, grabs the product you have provided in the search bar, uses this database, and does a super simple query. And I can show you I'm not full of it by removing this. I'm gonna save it, copy over, if I can get it to work, and you can tell it now got all 3 of them. Obviously this is not super useful as of yet, it's kind of clunky, so should I just keep it for the time? You know what, sod it, I'm just going to paste it here and keep it for now, doesn't matter, irrelevant. And I am going to add the table thingy. Oh, here it is. So you just need some basic HTML skills, and I'm sure that if you're actually here, you will figure it out. This is just to give you some basic tool. You will need to get a web server installed. Obviously I'm doing this on Linux because it's so much easier. However, I am seeing now, literally right now that I'm talking to you, that I could description that I probably should do it on the Windows machine because most people will be exposed to Windows, and the too early in the morning. This is THTD. Oh, for crikey. And I should be using it on Windows because that's what most people will have at work or wherever. So if I just made that simple change, this should, and I copy this over, this should give me like a header. Now I'm gonna just since I'm using Bulma, here it is. It's only 4 files, okay? Bulma, that's responsible for the colorful things. Data SQLite is your database. index PHP and product search PHP. So index PHP is your main site, yeah, and you can see product search is here, the one that shows you the products. Super straightforward. There's nothing really that can go wrong. Boomer, if I can type it again, Boomer CSS table, and I'm sure it will give me some options for the table thing go. It's okay, class table, we might as well add that to my thing. Class table, I'm gonna add few others. Is stripped, yes, I'll take that. What will I also, is hoverable, yeah, why not? So it looks a bit better, and it's full width, yes, I'll take that too, thank you very much. As you can tell, Bulma is like super straightforward. I just tell it what you want it to, okay, 5 on the wrong page, what you want it to do, boom, there you go. Can you tell? Looking so much better straight away, and I just added like 1, 2, 3 things. It does it all for you. Super convenient library. What else there is? Oh yeah, back to this thing. I should be using this on the Windows. I probably migrate it to Windows. Using some sort of web server that's easy to install, and you can use ODBC connectors to connect to like Excel sheets, access files and stuff. So that might could be better. The entire reason for this is just to give you like a very basic, it's not even a framework, starting position to potentially create something useful, rather than well, useful, more accessible for more people, rather than having Excel files everywhere. So yeah, obviously this is not as convenient as Excel because there's much more that needs to be done. But I think it's just so much better. And if you think, oh yeah, this is going to be like a rudimentary little system and quote-unquote intranet, well, hell yeah. Big companies I've seen before, they were just like, yeah, we're using Excel, we have no problems with that. And I'm like, holy cow. So this can be useful as a troubleshooting tool for you, if you're like in the IT kind of department thingy, or if you like in the sales, you want a bit more tech savvy, you want to create some tools for yourself on your local machine without, you know, annoying the IT department too much. You can do that. And yeah, for anyone that wants to give that a go, I will be uploading the code. You can download it, obviously. I'll tidy it up a notch. And even if I'm on the, well, when I'm in the better mood, like in the mood again, I might improve this and upload it again. So maybe you can create more of this stuffy stuff. It's really super easy, trust me. And now I think I'm rambling. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, hope you have a good day.